Hey guys, tell me, I'm gonna look nice and that's something you're gonna look snatched in a suit here. Like, it's only been like a week consistently in the gym, and I'm already seeing so much results. I'm gonna see if I continue. I'm gonna lose like a belly here. Alright, so it's my. I just got up to do some cleaning and realized, let me turn this around. Yeah, so I just got up to do some cleaning, tidy this room, get this room back in tip-top order, and realize I have this set that I bought that I just haven't worn as yet. I bought it like a couple of months ago for a party. I bought like 5 different outfits for one party because that's how I do when I'm going out. I want the perfect look. So I bought this and I didn't wear it, but guys, I tried it on a while ago because my birthday is in a month. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna put my wish list in the comments because sometimes you guys ask about wish list, but my birthday is in another month and I'm wondering, what am I gonna be doing for my birthday? I'm really big on birthdays, but since my daughter's birthday is like basically a week after my birthday, I realize I'm kind of more hyped for my daughter's birthday than my birthday. But I'm thinking, I don't know, I need to start planning something for my birthday. So I found this set, I'm saying, let me try it on and see how it's gonna look. I know some belly I go bang over, but I try it on. And listen, bang over where? No bang over right. Here's a girl about herself. So I'm gonna continue for the month of September because I can't really put my palm practice to the car when it comes to burger and pasta, pizza, them because something what I love. Those are the things that affects me. Those are the things that affect me. Like, yeah, those are the things that stall me from the journey that I am on. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna be doing some cleaning. This room is a mess. Ellie and I still asleep. It's really early, so I'm trying to maximize on the time that I have. Not my morning face. Oh my Lord, I'm just having an open on my face. Push down. But I am gonna be doing some cleaning in this room. This room is a mess, guys. It breaks, so all of my stuff there on the floor because it broke. So I think I'm gonna need to get one of these. Lord help me, it's Sunday, so I don't even know where I'm gonna get that today, Sunday. So I need another clothes rack because guys, I just could bother. So when it break, I'm just saying, no, I'm not gonna do this with you again. I'm not gonna do it with you again. I'm gonna just leave everything there on the floor. So I have this to purchase. I don't know where I'm gonna get it to purchase, but I have these stuff to get up off of the floor. I really use this to keep my gym stuff on since I don't really do a lot of videos anymore with clothing. I don't really do a lot of those anymore. So I just put my gym stuff on, kind of like a motivation when I'm supposed to be getting into the gym. I just pick up something off of the rack and just go, cause you know what, girl, we use these things as excuse not to get in the gym. I forgot to look for gym clothes. No, I'm gonna take out my gym stuff, put it on there for the week. So I'm just grab and go. Yeah, so I have this to do and I have the rest of the room to tidy. So yeah, that's it, guys. I broke my Amazon mirror. It's like that's probably one of the reasons why I'm not so motivated. Let me try to turn this around. How do I turn it around? Oh, just yeah, probably that's one of the reasons why I'm not so motivated. When I was about to travel, something caught on it and it fell right off of the table and onto the ground. This is Mishi one. This is mommy one, you know, so I'm not into these kind of things anymore. But guys, I'm just impressed with my body. I'm not really do much. Then imagine if I didn't do much. But anyways, I ordered another mirror, a bigger one. So yeah, I'm waiting on that. Can't wait to get that, and then hopefully I'll start back with my makeup videos. This is my hair. I don't even know. I think I'm gonna do this as a new vlog, a very short vlog with just me ranting right now and tidying the room. Alright, so I'm doing some laundry and I am cleaning the room. I have my bathroom to wash as well before Eliana gets up. And she's an early riser, so I'm gonna try to do what I can do right now. Alright, so let's go. I'm gonna take back off my fit and come start tidying the room. So guys, another one of my Sunday tasks is to find clothes for the week of work. So I am gonna be looking, I'm gonna be getting stuff to wear for work this week, and I am thinking I'm gonna be kind of like getting all blue stuff. So this is the first outfit. I try the outfits on because I try to try them on because sometimes you may have an idea in your head, but when you try it on, it doesn't turn out as how you'd want it to. So I am trying this. This jacket is from Pretty Little Thing, and for some reason, I really don't like how it feels, but this shirt is really see-through. And as a matter of fact, I tried the clothes on over. I should have just put the camera. I tried the outfit for the week over my clothes because this is just a try on. The jacket is Pretty Little Thing, and the shirt and the pants, they are Fashion Nova, but I think it can go on, but I just really don't like how the jacket feels and how it fits. But because the shirt is see-through, then I definitely have to wear something, a little camisole underneath and my jacket over it. But the jacket is not like a structure. It's really, this suit is this. It was a suit actually. So there's a pants for this. This was like probably $15 or cheaper. So I wasn't really expecting much from this, but yeah, I don't know. Let's go on to the next. I'm gonna go and look for my other outfits that I want to be wearing for this week. So we're using the color scheme of blue. Blue, right? And then we can wear the dress here. Wonder. Let's see. Alright, so this is one of the rocks. Exactly like the one that I have, but this, I don't know if it's sturdy enough because the one that I have at home broke. But I don't know how much for it as yet. I don't know the cost of it because it's old. I don't see the box. But I see another one, let me show you. But I think I like the black one. This black one. But I don't know if I should get this one. This one is kind of smaller and won't take up as much. So I finished retidying the room, and I am gonna finish up this vlog. I am gonna be doing my hair and finish off. I'm gonna be doing my hair and finish off with this vlog. I am really tired, dehydrated, so I am gonna, oh, I forgot I got some packages. When was it? On Friday, so I'm gonna unbox those and finish up this vlog. All right, so let's head straight to that. So let's head quickly into the unboxing and be done with this video already. Okay. All right, so guys, I purchased 3 items online. These are all from Amazon. I purchased this glow serum. Well, it says scan here, so that simply means that they want you to scan to be sure that this is the original product. I am gonna open this. So this is the glow serum, and I am trying the Korean skincare. I use the COS36. Guys, forgive me if I'm not saying the name properly or correctly. I don't know how it's pronounced, but I use the moisturizer, and I definitely love the glow that I'm getting right now. So let me introduce you to that cream. I did the unboxing, I think, in the last vlog that I did, and I've been using it since then. Only thing it's good for, it's moisturizer. Okay, so it's moisturizing, but it's not spot remover, because I've had these spot, like, I don't know why of recent I keep getting acne here on the bottom of my cheek or under here. Okay, so but it's not working well for the spots, but for glow it does give me that glow. And Korean skincare is glass skin. That's the equivalent that I've been seeing. I've been seeing them using the words interchangeably. So I don't know, I guess it really is for glass skin and not spot remover. So I am gonna have to get my regular cream for the spot removers, and I usually use Nadinola. Just that the jar of cream broke and I haven't gotten to replacing it yet. Normally when I use my Nadinola, like within a week, I'd start seeing these fading. But yeah, I gotta get that. But this is the glow serum, and this is, oh my god, the name, oh, Beauty of Joseon or Joseon. It's Joseon, however you pronounce the word. That is it. And this is the serum. I wanted to give this a try, but I finished my skincare routine without putting this on. But let me just give it a test for you guys. Just a little tiny tip. Probably that's a little bit too little. So let me just, alright, so it feels thick because it's not running off of my skin. It stays right there, so it's, yeah, it's not very watery. It's kind of thick, but it's a glow serum. It has niacinamide and propolis, and I can't wait to add this to my routine just to see how well it works. Okay, so this is the side that has the serum, and this is the side without the serum. I hope you can see well so you can make the comparison yourself. So that's that. Okay, the next item that I purchased was this shea butter. I've added shea butter to my skincare routine, like for my body. And let me tell you something. This is very good. It's very moisturizing. But the container broke. Even though it is sealed in plastic, it found its way out of the plastic. Okay, I guess the plastic burst or something, because it's a whole lot of mess. But I am excited to try this because, as I said, I do use shea butter on my skin. So I just ordered this one online. Really excited for you guys to try. It's really yellow though, because I can see the yellow impressions on my hand. Let me give you a try. Just from what I got from the package, just look at the glow that it gives my skin. Really feeling that. So if you are looking to have a healthy moisturized skin, then you can try the Shea Butter. I just did my hand care routine. I'm so sorry I don't have the products here, but I am gonna upload that video on Instagram so you can check it out. I did my cuticle oil. I also did my what is it, the hand cream. Is it EOS? I don't remember the brand, but I'm gonna put it here on the screen. And I also have these gloves that I need from Avena that I need to do a full hand care video for you guys. I may do that in a reel, but let me go ahead to the last item that I have to show you guys, and it is this. I think that this is my Stanley Cup. I think it also has a moisturizer in it. Guys, this year I am all about skincare, moisturized skin, and smelling good. Okay, so my next items that I'm targeting are scents. I want a really nice scent. I don't like overpowering scents, but I do like, you know, smelling good. So that's my next thing. I got, friend, come and say, where is my cream? It's so tiny. Like when you see this on when you see this on Amazon, it looks so big, but guys, it is so tiny. I almost lost it in the package. I almost thought I didn't get it. But this is a collagen, retinol, and hyaluronic acid deep moisture and nourishment cream. When I went on Amazon, they said it is highly favored from TikTok. Yeah, so it says even toned skin. Guys, look out for this because I'm gonna be doing a try, and I'm gonna be adding it to my routine so you can see just how well it performs. And this is my Stanley Cup. I should do an unboxing or reel. So yeah, here goes my Stanley Cup. I'm gonna do a video I'm gonna be doing a reel for Instagram. So I'm gonna end this video off here. I don't want to unbox it too much because, as I said, I want to do an unboxing for Instagram. Let me give you a slight peek. But I am gonna put it back and do an unboxing for real. So go to Instagram and watch that reel. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video off here. Thank you so much for sticking around with me and here for another unboxing. I really like to do my unboxing with you guys. I feel like I have company about opening my packages. I'm usually so excited to open my package, and I'm happy that I have people to unbox my packages with. So I try to come here every Sunday and unbox my packages, even though I don't get to edit them all the time. I am videoing, and I am going to be putting them out some more, just so you guys can just be the absent present guest. Alright, so I'm going to end this video off here. Thank you so much for watching.